What a puppy tantrum looks like.
Look at Joy in the back. What is the matter? Good job, Joy Joy. Quiet.